today is a historic day. The GST has been passed, and wanted to know very simply, how does it affect a common man like me and you?
For common man, the first benefit is that the prices will get lower in days to come because now cascading of taxes is gone. And now there is only one tax for one item throughout the country. So this will reduce prices of many items. More than 81% of the items are below 18% of taxation. So we get benefit of that. And as a country, there is no tax evasion, and TT gets all the tax collected from consumers in the government treasury.
Now, you are the Human Resources Development Minister. How much of this will impact on the areas that you directly deal with, whether it's the...
Yeah, as far as education and health is concerned, it is out of GST. So there is no GST on education. So there is no major impact. What the other items, some items will become cheaper, some items will become little dearer, but it balances out, and therefore there will be no major impact, and it will be a smooth flow of services and goods.
What about the manufacture of, say, textbooks, notebooks, all these other kind of, pencils, pens?
Already there were taxes on paper, production excise. Then there were taxes on printing, services, transport, octroi, entry, so many taxes. All taxes will now subsume into one GST, and which will be little lower than what it used to be as all weighted average.
And if you look at across, one is of course your sector. Where do you see the impact of GST? You said consumers will certainly get less. How about in the overall, what will be the impact on the country?
Every component will get benefit. That is traders. The small trader below 5,000 rupees selling every day has to pay no tax. Somebody selling 20,000 below every day is also has to pay only 1% tax. So both are relieved. After 75 lakhs of turnover annually, you have to maintain the books and file the returns. And that becomes automatic on the IT backbone. So that is also very smooth flow. Instead of 23 cesses and 17 taxes, now it's only one tax. That means you are saved to file 40 returns, you are saved to go to 40 offices, you have to save to go to 40 offices, and now you are only one tax, and which is online, and therefore you are relieved of everything. So this is really the best thing to happen for traders also. For importer, now there will be a cost of IGST will be applied to that also, so there is a level playing field. On exports, now the exporter will get the refund of taxes which he used not to get the state taxes part of it. He never got the refund of it. Now he will get refund. And the production houses, manufacturer will not have to run and shift their locations as per the tax convenience, but as per the locational factors. So locational factors will dominate. Production will happen at the best place, and throughout the country there will be a smooth flow, and there will be no time waste on highways and many other things. So,
but you'd mentioned no time waste on highways. The e-way thing is still not ready. Was this a wise thing to start set it off as July 1st? If you could have waited for a month and set right all these things, including the software, GST and network, everything is, orders are still being passed.
I think we always feel on the one day before the examination that if examination would have been next week, it would have been better. But ultimately, examination has to happen on the designated day, and therefore this was declared much earlier. Once you set the target, the machinery moves faster, and that has moved faster in last 3 months. And now, if there is any problem, also there is a problem-solving capacity in the team.
So are you confident that the government will pass this examination, and if so, at what color?
We will come out with flying colors, because this is in benefit of everybody, and this is passed and decided by everybody. Put together is the first victory of cooperative federalism.